Hello lovelies, it's your girl Ham and welcome back to my channel for another episode of our series Breaking Bread, where I share the recipes that I love to cook for my family and friends with you all. So on today's menu, we're introducing a new item, well, new to my family, that I recently started cooking and we just loved it. So we made it back to back and we can't get enough. But without further ado, the menu item is Bang Salmon Bites. Guys, this meal is so delicious and it's so easy to make, and I believe it's actually way better flavor and taste than what you can find at your local mall or carry out. So if you're interested in making a quick and easy but delicious meal, go ahead and grab your apron or sit back, relax, vibe out, and kick it with me. Either way, I am glad to have you. So let's break bread. Okay guys, so we are going to start off with our salmon. I typically like to get fresh, never frozen salmon, just from our local butcher. Like that's where we get our meats, but we ended up getting 2 pounds. So I'm going to use half of it and I'll show you guys how I remove the skin. So pretty much I want to take a corner of the skin and remove it from the meat or the flesh, and then use my knife to separate along the edge the meat from the skin. And then you can slide your knife back and forward while going through the fish, just separating that skin from the meat. And guys, a pro tip is to angle your knife downwards towards the skin, so that way you get as much meat as possible off, not leaving any of it on the skin. And guys, I seen this method from Smoking and Grilling with AB, and this is actually a recipe that I tried or was inspired by from his channel, and my family does love it. So I'm going to show you guys how I recreated it and how I've been making it ever since. And here's like another method. I flip the fish on the other side and I'm using my finger and pushing down with one finger and sliding it underneath the skin while using the other hand to pull up and away off the fish. And that's also another easy method. And like in the past, I used to use boiling hot water. Like I would get my tea kettle and you can pour it over your fish skin and that allows it to come off really easily. But I did notice with that method, you end up cooking your fish a little bit. So this is 2 other methods you can try. And if you want to try the hot water method, it doesn't really hurt, but you know, it's all about preference. But anywho, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting our salmon. And I'm gonna cut it into bites or squares because that's how we're going to eat it. These are salmon bites. And guys, like each piece, I try to get like 3 smaller pieces from it. The ends are kind of thinner, so it's up to you, like it's a personal preference. But for our daughter who's much smaller, I think it's the perfect size for the end pieces to be a little bit smaller. So okay, just cutting up some more fish. Like I said, we did half of the fish. We got a 2 pounder, so we just decided to use half. So after we're done cutting the fish, we're gonna put it in a separate bowl to go ahead and season. So I'm gonna use some avocado oil for the binder, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Lori seasoning salt, and some regular salt, some black pepper, and guys, we're gonna mix all the way through. And if you guys are wondering why I use 2 different types of salts, Lori's tend to be highly salty, so I wanted to do like half and half with the regular salt. But here we go. We're going to oil up our baking dish and then neatly place our bites. And guys, since we're air frying it, you want to have some space in between your bites. You don't want them touching because you want the air to be able to flow through and cook it so that it can have like a nice crisp. Okay guys, I'm gonna set my oven to 375. Our oven actually has an air fryer option, so that's what we're going to use. And while that's baking, we're gonna go ahead and make our bang bang sauce. This is the star of the show. So we're going to use 1 part mayo to 1 part sweet chili sauce. And guys, we ran out of sweet chili sauce. Like I said, we've been making it back to back, so we are out. And I'm going to flip the bottle over to see if I can get any of that sweet chili. But guys, let's move on. So we're going to add sriracha, about a tablespoon, but I'm eyeballing it here. And mix very thoroughly. And it looks a little pale, so let's see. This is the sweet chili that I was able to scrape on up. And guys, this is literally it. This is how easy it is to make the sauce. 3 ingredients, okay guys? And personally, I like a little bit more sweet chili sauce and mayo, but hey. Anywho, we're going to go ahead, take our fish out of the oven and flip it before adding it back in the oven. And guys, I baked it at 375 for 5 minutes on each side. The amount of time you would go depends on how big your chunks are and just the specificity of your particular oven, but this is definitely a good place to start. So after that, I'm going to add our sauce. I'm going to base our salmon nuggets with our sauce, and guys, don't worry, we're going to let it bake again for another 7 minutes. And guys, I'm very generous. I love my things sopped up. Okay, I love it, very flavorful. And guys, when it bakes, it's going to like caramelize a little bit and bake into the fish. So go ahead, add as much as you want. Okay, work it in and then place it in your oven for 7 minutes. And guys, it should look like this. You can go ahead and garnish it with some more sauce and green onions, and voila, let's break bread.